So summer is coming up, but for me, I'm heading overseas to Canada, so really winter is coming up. And the best part about the change of seasons is going out and getting new clothes, you know, change the wardrobe up a little bit. So today, we're doing a bit of an ASOS haul. Hey guys, Nick here and welcome back to That Modern Dude, your home for tech and modern lifestyle videos. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below. And so I've gone out and bought a crap load of clothes over on ASOS because I'm heading overseas. It's gonna be winter there and it's a great opportunity to sort of just revamp the whole wardrobe. I've kind of gone with a pretty basic look with all these clothes. I've tried to keep the cost down whilst maximizing the amount of stuff I got. So let's just go through, you know, all the different pieces that we picked up. Oh, it's a big bag. All right, so first up, what is this? So ASOS, I really love ASOS because you can get stuff super cheap. It's free to do returns. So we got some jeans here because we all need jeans. We'll, you know, do styles at the end and that. Ripped jeans, keep it cash, you know how it is. Piece number two, what is it? I don't know. So we got a 2-pack here. 2-pack of, I don't know. So all this stuff as well is ASOS branded, keep the cost down. They do make good stuff. So we just got some long sleeve shirts, because you know, gonna be cold over there. It's gonna be cold. And we gotta keep ourselves warm. Layers are key. We got a white and black long sleeve top, beautiful. Stick around to the end, we will do the styles. Another twin pack, like I said, you wanna save costs on ASOS, get the twin packs. You get value for money. Value for money is where it's all about. We got chinos here again. I got a lot of shorts here in Australia because it gets hot. Canada's not gonna be hot. So we got nice navy blue, nice sort of khaki color, you know, goes well with everything. It's good. So far we've got 3 pairs of pants, 2 long sleeve tops. I'll give you the cost at the end. It's gonna blow your mind because we've got a fair bit of stuff in here. What is this? This is a big one. You make a lot of mess with ASOS, by the way, like plastic everywhere. Oh damn. So this is something I figured I'd probably need over there. It's like a raincoat sort of deal. It doesn't have to be a raincoat, but it is water resistant. I reckon it looks pretty dope. It's gonna be really good, you know, keeping me dry because I figure it's gonna be pretty wet in Canada. I don't know. Another double pack. Keeping the costs down, guys. So we got some, you know, just some joggers, something to wear lazing around the place because you don't always want to be wearing some crazy clothes. These are a bit thinner than I was expecting, but that's cool, that's all right. Like I said, something to just wear around. All right, we got gray, we got black, nice. Last one, that's it for the packet. Another double pack. These are some sweaters. We got a nice black one here. I like to keep it pretty simple, yeah? Black and white, monochromatic. A little splash of color with the maroon one. Oh, get it out. So we got a nice maroon sweater as well. Like I said, layers are key. Let's go through what we picked up. So we got 2 sweaters, a raincoat, 2 pairs of chinos, we got a pair of ripped jeans, 2 pairs of joggers, ooh, what else? And 2 long sleeve shirts, so quite a lot of clothes, all really good quality. The ASOS brand is really good, and it cost me $300, less than $300. It was like $280, $285 Australian. It's ridiculous. It's really hard to get that amount of clothes, that little amount of money. So now I'll show you what it looks like. I'm 6 foot tall. I'll give you an idea of, you know, where we're at. These are all medium sizes. trying on some things. They didn't quite fit the way I wanted to. One, those jeans, they didn't fit at all. That's the thing you get with buying stuff online. You can't always tell. That's okay. You just go into the ASOS app, you send a return, it's free, and you get your money back pretty much straight away to spend on other gear if you want. And there you have it, guys. A little bit of an ASOS haul, getting ready for my winter in Canada. Getting pretty keen. It's only 5 weeks away. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button down below. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Yeah, it's always fun to expand the wardrobe because let's be honest, we don't do it every day. Till the next one, guys, I'll see you all later. Peace.